Hello everybody, it's teacher Danny talking. As I told you, I can't be with you in the class today. Other teacher is with you, helping me a little bit. But I recorded this video so you can understand the topic and you can do an interesting activity. Las clases anteriores estábamos trabajando los quantifiers, any, some, a lot of. But today vamos a dejar eso like pause, lo vamos a pausar un poco hasta el viernes y hoy nos vamos a dedicar a trabajar en useful language on page 28. We're going to work on useful language, page 28 of your student's book. What are we going to work on? Vamos a trabajar en algunas frases que se utilizan cuando vamos a una tienda a comprar ciertas cosas. Making requests when shopping. Tenemos frases like I would like to buy, I preferred, I'll take it, can I try on? Vamos a trabajar these 4 phrases. For doing so, I'm going to explain you a little bit about those phrases. Making requests when shopping. Tenemos the first phrase, I would like to, que es la contracción de I would like to. Ambas significan the same, me gustaría. I would like to, me gustaría. I would like to buy a dress. Me gustaría comprar un vestido. I would like to eat pizza. Me gustaría comer pizza. I wouldn't like a skirt. No me gustaría. También se puede negativo. What about if I say she wouldn't like a skirt? A ella no le gustaría una falda. También estaría correcto. We would like to eat a pizza. A nosotros nos gustaría comer pizza. Any subject will be okay. So now we have the first phrase that is I would like to, I like to. That is the same. Now we have I prefer or I would prefer. Yo preferiría. Okay? I prefer a different color. Me gustaría un color diferente. I would or I would prefer a burger, not a hot dog. So, preferiría una hamburguesa, no un hot dog. Good? I prefer, preferiría. It's the same. She would, you would prefer, we would prefer. With the changing the subject would be the same meaning and the same structure. Then we have another phrase that is I'll take it or I will take it. Lo tomaré. I'll take it or I will take it. It's the same if I say she will take it, you will take it, we will take it. It's the same. For instance, I will take the blue dress. Voy a tomar el blue dress, not the yellow, the blue dress. I will take these glasses. I will take these glasses. It's the same if I say she or you will take the blue dress. Easy. And finally, we have this question. Can I try it on? ¿Me lo puedo probar? Can I try it on? Can I try the t-shirt on? Este it lo podemos reemplazar por cualquier objeto que nos queramos probar. Me puedo probar la blusa, la camiseta. Me puedo probar esos pantalones. Can I try those pants on? Siempre reemplazando el it por an object. If we want to leave the it, si queremos dejar el it, it's okay. Alright, so we have these 4 phrases. Now, vamos a escuchar esas frases en contexto. Here on page 28, you have a conversation. This conversation is between Lisa and Clark. Lisa is buying something in a shop. ¿Qué está comprando? Un dress. So, we're going to listen to the conversation, vamos a escuchar a la conversación y vamos a llenar los espacios con I would like to buy, I'll prefer, I'll take it, can I try it on? Y vamos a después de escuchar entender un poco la conversación.
Page 28. Exercise 3. Listen to Lisa talking with a store clerk. Complete the conversation. Excuse me. I'd like to buy a dress.
Okay, how about this blue dress? It's new.
I'd prefer a different color. Does it come in black?
Yes, it does. Here it is.
Nice. How much is it?
It's $49.
Can I try it on?
Of course. What size do you wear?
Size 8.
Okay, what do you think?
Actually, it's not big enough. I need a larger size.
Okay, try a 10. How is it?
Great. I'll take it.
Alright, we're going to listen to the conversation once more time.
Page 28. Exercise 3. Listen to Lisa talking with a store clerk. Complete the conversation. Excuse me. I'd like to buy a dress.
Okay, how about this blue dress? It's new.
I'd prefer a different color. Does it come in black?
Yes, it does. Here it is.
Nice. How much is it?
It's $49.
Can I try it on?
Of course. What size do you wear?
Size 8.
Okay, what do you think?
Actually, it's not big enough. I need a larger size.
Okay, try a 10. How is it?
Great. I'll take it.
Alright, so here we have the correct answers. Excuse me, I would like to buy a dress. I'd prefer a different color. Can I try it on? And I'll take it. Now, guys, what are you going to do? You're going to get into the platform. You're going to go to class number 8, content, and there you will find an activity. You have all day, tienen todo el día para hacer esta actividad que está disponible en contenido. Entonces van a unit number 3, spending habits, y van a trabajar conversation shopping time. So I'm going to explain each step. In number 1, you have to put the words in order. Tienen que organizar. Like the same, entonces empezar. For example, así, las organizan and click on check. Then you have to do a matching activity. I'd like to buy some sneakers. ¿Cuál sería la respuesta? Entonces vamos a hacer el matching. Can I try them on? Este them se refiere a los sneakers. I prefer those red ones. I'll take them. Bueno. Put the sentence in order to make a conversation. Aquí tienen una conversación muy similar a la que acabamos de practicar, entonces tienen que poner los números en orden para ver cómo queda la conversación. And the exercise number 3, tienen que reescribir la conversación cambiando algunas cosas. Todo lo que está subrayado lo deben cambiar. Entonces, aquí habla de que quiere comprar unos sneakers. Ustedes ponen el objeto que les gustaría comprar. Y van cambiando cada cosa de acuerdo al objeto. ¿Sí? Es como organizar su propia conversación manteniendo la estructura, pero solo cambiando lo que está subrayado. And this is all, guys. El estudiante que no puede acceder a la plataforma en este momento, entonces trabaje en el libro, en la página 20, y luego en la tarde lo hace en la plataforma. It's just the same. This is all, guys. Thanks for your attention and see you tomorrow in class. Bye bye.